Hi, and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name is Nick.
And my name is Chris. And Nick, what have we got in store today?
Well, today, Chris, we've come across something quite extraordinary. I want to call it
Yeah, well,
extraordinary.
I
I don't know
mean,
if it's extraordinary,
you,
but it's definitely pretty big news, Chris. It's pretty big news. This is
yes,
all about a bank that's developed an XRP-based platform, a trading platform that's basically using the XRPL and XRP. So let's get into a bit of that. We're going to have a look at the markets. We're going to go over the XRP chart because that's been quite good today as well. And then
mm,
also just take a dive into this bank and what they're doing. I think it's going to be a pretty good one. So as always, guys, if you find it useful and informative, smash that like button for Chris. He really appreciates it. And as always, if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you will be kept up to date with all the videos and live streams that we do here at Cheeky Crypto. Right, Chris, shall we jump over to CoinMarketCap for review the current situation as it stands, and then have a look at the chart and this news.
yeah, let's do it, Nick.
Fantastic. So here we are on CoinMarketCap, and I'm just going to blow this up for you guys so you can see the $616 billion market cap that we currently have here. Now, I can't think, was it like 2 days ago we were dropping down to like 550 billion, and here we are like a few days later.
I guess my question would be, how long do you reckon it'll be until we get to the trillion?
Yeah,
You
it's,
know,
it's going to be happening probably. I'm going to put it out there. It's either Q1 or Q2 next year.
yeah, I'm gonna go for towards the back end of quarter 1.
Good call, good
Yeah,
call.
save this video, guys.
Save it, yeah, bookmark it. Right, so if you hit the like button, I think that does save it. Yeah, that's right. Hit the like button. That'll do it. So 600
Terrible.
and I know, but it's true. It actually saves it for you in your own saved area. So hit the like button. Market cap 616 billion, trading volume 171 billion, and Bitcoin's dominance 64.4%. And Chris, there's an astonishing 8,035 cryptocurrencies out there. We're only invested in 21 of them.
Only.
We've got a lot of work cut out.
We have.
We really do. So let's have a look, right? So these are the 21 or 23, sorry, 23 that we are watching here. Not fully invested in all of them, but there's 23 that we're watching. Bitcoin's had a movement here of 9.4 as it hit a new all-time high, new territory. Let's see if it can get to 25. That's going to be an interesting time. We have Ethereum 7.3 up, XRP, here we go, right, 12.9% up. I think there was a lot of people shaken out of the market as it started tumbling towards that 44-cent level. We thought it would only go to like 46. I was wrong. Hands up. I thought 46 cent. But it went 2 cents lower than that. It got to 44. So yeah, hands up, I got that one slightly wrong. Can't be perfect on these things, but nonetheless, that was the bottom there. And boy, did it pay back. If you were getting in at 44, wow, you did a good job there. Almost 10 cents later, that's what you gained. Fantastic. So I'll go through some of these other kind of really good moves. Stellar's also been really good here at 8.2. We've got double-digit growth for Theatre, double-digit for 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, and I'm just going to say, yeah, the other ones, yeah, they're all doing pretty well, pretty good day. So let's have a look at XRP. Let's click and see what's going on. Right, so it's trading at 53.7 cents as we record this video. It's got a market cap of $24.3 billion. The trading volume is 14.4 billion. Circulating supply 45.4 billion. And obviously the current total supply is 99.9 billion. Max supply is the 100 billion that we all know. If we scroll down, the all-time high is $3.84. That was 4th of January 2018. And I think we're going to see all-time highs in 2021. And I know a lot of people are talking about $7, $13, $15. Even people are talking still of the $100, which I still struggle to see myself. But let's see how things progress. Let's have a look at the charts, right? So here we are on the XRP to USD. I've obviously got the candlestick chart that you see here. This is the blue box that I got slightly wrong because obviously we did dip lower than this box, but this is the area that I thought we were going to be in. And obviously we got a little bit lower there, but that's okay. And I think if I can remember rightly, this actually ties up with the monthly view. So we drop down, if I just grab a horizontal line for you guys, drop down to that level there, which ties up with these monthly candles. So our monthly closing candle wick here for December ties up with our monthly June 19 and our May 19 candles. So really interesting to see that those two things actually tied up nicely. So it wasn't the daily or the weekly views that we were getting into. It turned out to be the monthly view. There you go. So that's the line that we hit, and you can see how it pretty much nailed it right on there, and that's where the buy-in pressure was. So I'm going to just remove that so we don't have that clotting up our thing here. So that's our candlesticks. We have the fib retrace on there. We have the MACD down here as well as the RSI, slightly modified RSI, and the Stochastic as well modified. So these things are telling us several different things about the markets and the trends that are going on, definitely all in a bullish momentum now. And obviously, you know, we have no wick here in our daily candle. It's still pushing up higher and higher. And I can flick this into the hourly view for you guys so you can just see how this is looking. So in our hourly view, we obviously have the MACD stacked as we would expect it. Blue line above the red line, looking pretty strong. We also, and for anyone who's interested here, I've got, if I just get my inputs, it's an 821.5 MACD, not the standard settings, okay? If anyone wants to replicate that, that's what you do. Here we obviously have the RSI, which is looking pretty good up here as the upward trend. And we have the Stochastic. Now this is indicating there might be some I guess selling pressure like coming soon. So we'll see there might be a red candle to pull this down towards this purple line. Ideally, basically, if you see here, anything below this 30 line, sorry, anything below the 30 line here, it's going to be oversold, and anything above here is overbought. So you'd expect this to come back down, and it kind of just swings like this as you kind of go through the motions. It gives you a bit of an idea as to what's going on and gives you really an indication. So yeah, really positive at the minute, Chris, on what this is looking like. I'm expecting us to kind of hit maybe 56 cents at some point, and see that that level there get tested. And this is an area of the fib retrace. It's the 61% fib retrace. I imagine we're going to need to test and get past at some point. We'll see how we react to that, and I think it's going to be pretty positive nonetheless. Let's just hop back to the daily so we can get that good green candlestick. I like looking at that candlestick. It's nice. Right, so Chris, anything you want to talk about now on the current markets or the chart for XRP before we jump into this absolutely fantastic news?
So I don't think there's anything I can add to that, Nick. I'm completely aligned to what you're saying. It was interesting in our live stream, people talking about a potential $7. I can't see that myself this side of the new year, but I would love to be pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, so the $7 is basically taking, I think I have to pull this out into like a weekly view. It's basically taking the fact that our pattern here is exactly the same as 2017. So we will be basically now pulling in these larger candles, which take us all the way up to that $7 range. So it's still a theory. I'm not sure I'm 100% subscribed to it yet. I need to see, really what that looks like and do some research into it, because it could be an interesting time if that does happen. What happened with our candle dropping below this level, it kind of invalidates a few things. So we need to maybe come up with a new plan, a new strategy as to how high we think this thing's going to go. $7 is a range that's been spoken about, but so is $15 and some other numbers that people are talking about as well. So watch this space, because it's going to evolve as this candle and several other candles start to evolve and adapt over time. Right. So with all that said, then let's jump on over to this article, which is pretty good news, and I'm really interested to see what they're actually doing. So let's pull it up. Cool. So here we are, right? So a Ripple partner, 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗰 Bank, develops an XRP-based platform called Simplex. Right. So Ripple partner 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗰 Bank has created a trading platform, Simplex, yeah, so I'm going to call it Simplex, based on XRP, right? So according to the bank, the XRP ledger and XRP have the potential to support a global financial network, which we know that's what it's designed for. Just put that out there. That's obvious. So 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 Bank has published a report on its partnership with Ripple. As part of the company's 2020 profile, 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 highlights the importance of collaboration with the potential of the RippleNet. As the report indicates, 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 has a particular and bullish interest in the network's native cryptocurrency XRP. 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 and Ripple have built a cloud platform for trading. The platform is known as SimpleX. And is used as an extension to the bank's payment capabilities. It has been created to simplify the creation, management, tracking, costs, and the environment on which corporate transactions are settled. The platform is aimed at small and medium-sized businesses and uses the token, using the XRP token, right? So here's a quote. 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 Bank facilitators of global trade will enable well-equipped to service corporates and SMEs in these unprecedented times. With our innovative blockchain-enabled SimpleX trade platform with immutable information gathering and sharing and supporting Ripple real-time payments and frictionless low liquidity transactions with underlying XRP cryptocurrency. In this way, 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 and Ripple have created a platform to reduce the complexities of trade. SimpleX is a solution that is also used to manage financial trading instruments such as letters of credit, standby letters of credit, performance bonds, and bank guarantees using the capabilities of blockchain technology. Ripple's Senior Vice President for Client Success, Marcus, says the following of the cooperation with 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀. 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 Bank is an innovative company that is incredibly focused on providing their customers with a quicker, cheaper payment experience. By using XRP for on-demand liquidity as well as xCurrent, they are delivering on that promise. We're excited to have them on RippleNet. So XRP and RippleNet used simplified banking, right? So the partnership between Ripple and 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 are made public in early 2019. The bank was one of the first institutions to announce that it was using Ripple's products and the cryptocurrency XRP to settle international transactions. The bank claimed that it offers its customers a more secure, fast, inexpensive way to send money. Furthermore, 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀 Bank was also able to dramatically reduce the costs of their operations by using XRP as an instant interbank communication medium. The bank is less dependent on expensive fiat money, and their report states that and has been able to focus on offering financial solutions in emerging markets. So 𝗂𝗎𝗂𝗀𝗀's head of compliance and operations, 𝗕𝗓𝗪, is predicting a trading revolution due to the introduction of blockchain technology in the financial sector. On multiple occasions, 𝗓𝗪 has highlighted the capabilities and potential of Ripple's products. His bullish views is reflected very well in the following statement. So ultimately, the network may also carry the entire range and scope of financial messages. What is essential is that the counterparty understands the formats of the key messages that contain the supporting documentation. Successful messaging networks depend on standardization, rationalization, and reusability. Ripple's distributed ledger-based system is in addition to its cryptocurrency XRP, delivers all of these. So this is absolutely amazing news, isn't it, Chris?
It is, yeah. It's just more news just to add to the fire that is already burning, right? Like, you've seen SBI recently purchase what do you call it? What was the name of the company?
𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡, UK crypto trading desk.
Yep. So they're the first, I guess, institution to own one and run one, which is, again, another huge Ripple partner, right? So, there's lots of news, not noise, news going on in the background, and yeah, Bitcoin's taken off today, which is fantastic. That's obviously then, you know, supported the likes of XRP, XLM, Cardano, and various other, you know, altcoins to rise with Bitcoin, right? And it's going to be interesting to see what happens over the next few days. That's for sure.
Absolutely. So guys, if you found this useful and informative, do go ahead and smash that like button for Chris. He really appreciates it. And as always, if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you will be kept up to date with all the videos and live streams that we do here at Cheeky Crypto. And with that said, we hope you have a fantastic day, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah, take care.